this video, we're going to talk about how you can change your Planet Fitness location. So here's how it works. You want to load up the Planet Fitness website. Then you will click on memberships here from the top left corner. And now you just want to scroll all the way down until you see this button for have more questions. Just click on it. And right here at the very top, you will see how do I transfer my membership to a different Planet Fitness club. So basically there are different Planet Fitness clubs and those are linked to different locations. So here's the criteria that you have to meet. You have to be an adult. You must have been a Planet Fitness member for at least 90 days. You haven't transferred in the past 90 days. You don't know any outstanding dues or fees at your current club and have a financial co-signer or a third-party subsidized membership. And also you have a membership that is billed monthly and not paid in full. So if you meet all of this criteria, then you will click on this purple button, transfer your membership online. And then this is going to ask you to sign into your account if you haven't done so already. Then you will just go through the prompts. You will select your new location, and that is how you change location in Planet Fitness. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.